Welcome to my channel. Right now I am in Rupsi airport of Assam, India. Now I'm going to show you about the Rupsi airport. Please watch the video, subscribe my channel and like my videos and share it to your friends. नोंथांमोनखौ आंनि चेनेलाव बरायनाय जाबाय। दा आं रुपसि एयारपर्टआव दङ। दा आं रुपसि एयारपर्टनि मोनसे भिडिअ बानायनो सानदों। नोंथांमोना नायदो। जायफ्रा रुपसि एयारपर्टआव फैयाखै एबा नुवाखै बिसोरो न'आव जनानैनो आंनि भिडिअखौ नायदो। नोंथांमोना भिडिअखौ नायनानै साबस्क्राइब खालामनो दाबाव। भिडिअखौ लाइक खालाम आरो शेयार खालाम। This Rupsi airport is under construction and it will be opened by the September of this year. This Rupsi airport was constructed in the historical time of the Second World War and it was used by the British. After 1980s, the Airport Authority of India and Indian Air Force took initiative to revive the airport. Now, because of the initiative taken by them, the airport is going to be functional by the September of this year. This airport will be the only airport in Lower Assam. It will be very beneficial to the people of the Lower Assam, for businessmen and local people. Everyone will be able to fly to every cities of the country and to outside the country also. Now there will be regular flight, domestic and international flight like Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. गिदिंफैनाय रुपसि एयारपर्टआव बेरायफैग्रा मानसिफोर जाम्बा गारि सालायनाय फिसौनाव बेनो जाबाय रानवे एर'प्लेन खारग्रा बाग्रा We are now walking in the Rupsi airport. It is very large in area. The construction is going on now. It will be open by September in this year. Lots of people come to see this place. This airport will be very useful for the people of this area. Now we will go home after visiting the airport. Thanks for watching.